Good day to you all. You are welcome to Brainiacs Royal College class, and the question I will have here is the probability density function of the random variable w is given by f of w equals to cw squared plus w. Then we have the interval 0 less equals to w less equals to 1. So we have to find the value of c. This that we have there is a constant. So now this question is from random variable. The other random variable is from continuous random variable. So that's continuous random variable under random variable. So now to obtain the value of c, the formula we are going to use is integral minus infinity to infinity. Okay, we can use a to b. Here we have f of w, the w equals to 1. Since the random variable we are considering is w, so that will, the formula will change to f of w, the w. If we are dealing with random variable x, so now to obtain the value of constant, that will be f of x dx equals to 1. If it is random variable y, that will be a to b f of y, then here we have the y equals to 1. So the question that we are dealing with here is we have to obtain the value of a constant. Then the random variable is w. So random variable w. So to obtain the value of c, we are going to use this formula. Then the lower limit is 0, then the upper limit is 1. So here we have integral 0 to 1 f of w, that's cw squared plus w, everything in brackets, dw equals to 1. So now this is not common to this side and this other side, so we cannot factor this c outside. So rather we integrate directly with respect to w. So now integrating cw squared, that will give us cw cube over 3 plus w squared over 2. Then we'll close the bracket. So here we're going to have 0, 1 equals to 1. So now integrating w square will give us, we are adding 1 to the power, that will be 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. So that will be raised power of 3 over 3. Then this one we're adding 1 to the power of this w. Since we have a single w here, that will be w square over 2 after integrating this w with respect to w. So here we are not adding constant c like plus c, the constant of integration, because here this interval is what is defined, the integration is defined. So here we have 0, here we have infinity, and we have 1 here. 1 is here, 0 is here. So 1 is the upper limit, while 0 is the lower limit. So now we need to write this one in two places so that we obtain we can obtain the value of that c minus. So we want to subtract the upper limit from the lower limit. So 0 is here, 1 is here, equals to 1. So we want to subtract the upper limit from the lower limit. So anywhere we see w at this side, we'll substitute 1 we enter. Then anywhere we see w at this side, we'll put 0, that's the lower limit. So here we're going to have c into 1 raised power of 3 over 3 plus 1 raised power of 2 over 2, then minus c into 0 raised power of 3 over 3, then plus 0 raised power of 2 over 2. Everything is equals to 1. So this 0 that is here and this one that is here, we've actually substituted it already, so we don't need to rewrite it again. And everything at this other side will be 0, because 0 raised power of 3 is 0 times c, that's 0 divided by 3, that's 0. 0 raised power of 2, that's 0 divided by 2, that's 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0, that one is gone. So 1 raised power of 3, that's 1. So I need to have times c, so that will give us c over 3. We need to have c over 3 plus, so here we have 1 raised power of 2, 1 square is 1 over 2. Everything is equals to 1. Everything at this side has turned to 0. So everything I have here is already 0. So from what we have here, since we are looking for the value of constant c, so we'll take this 1 over 2 to the other side of the equation. I need to have c over 3 equals to 1 minus 1 over 2. We'll put this 1 over 1 so that we can find the LCM. So we have c over 3. So c over 3 is here. Is equals to, so the LCM here is 2. 1 goes in 2, that will give us 2 times 1, that's 2, minus 2 goes in 2, that's 1, times 1, that's 1. So I need to have c over 3 equals to 1 over 2. So from here we can cross multiply, since we are looking for the value of c. So by the time we cross multiply from here, we are going to have 2 will multiply c, then 3 will multiply 1. So from here I need to have 2c equals to 3. So this implies that the value of c is equals to 3 over 2. So I need to use this 2 to divide both sides since we are looking for the value of c. So from what we have here, that will be 2c over 2 equals to 3 over 2. 2 will cancel 2. So I need to have c equals to 3 over 2. Kindly like this video, share and follow for more. Thank you.